For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Fresh petitions have been filed in the Supreme Court to save Rath Yatra. Supreme Court issued a stay on Rath Yatra. The Supreme Court said Lord Jagannath won't forgive us if we allow it. In its order, the Supreme Court said, in the interest of public health and safety, the event can't be held. The observation came after an Odisha-based NGO had demanded the cancellation of Rath Yatra. The annual event is scheduled to begin on June 23rd. Rath Yatra is one of the biggest festivals of Odisha. Lakhs of people from across the country visit Puri every year for the religious event. This time around, the event will not be held in its usual grandeur. Supreme Court had issued an order to halt the Rath Yatra altogether. Now, petitions have been filed seeking modification of the order. Sri Jagannath Temple Managing Committee has also filed a petition with the Supreme Court. The petitions seek to hold the annual Rath Yatra with strict restrictions in place. The state government has faced flack for its stance in the court. Devotees are requesting the government to hold Rath Yatra with COVID-19 norms. The traditions and practices of the temple don't come under the government's purview, says the petition. The petition has also suggested following COVID-19 protocol. The petition suggests a total curfew across Puri 2 days before the event. The petition also suggests sealing of borders to ensure no outsiders participate. The petitions allege that the state government has failed to place facts before the court. The Snana Purnima ritual was conducted on June 5th. COVID-19 protocol was followed for the ritual on June 5th. All 800 servitors who took part underwent COVID-19 tests and tested negative. Carpenters, blacksmiths, as well as the temple police personnel were in isolation. Around 500 to 600 people are required to pull the chariot. The distance from the Puri Jagannath Temple to Gundicha Temple is 3 kilometers. The Rath Yatra can be performed with the help of 500 to 600 servitors by maintaining social distance on the 3-kilometer stretch and by imposing the restrictions as well as Section 144 of CRPC. If the Puri town is completely shut down on the day of Rath Yatra, the festival can be conducted smoothly by Sevayats only and no infection will happen to general public, and that will meet the end of justice. The petition says that the event can be held without the presence of the devotees. The hearing on the petition will take place on Monday. Puri is currently in the green zone with no COVID-19 cases.